Hey guys, welcome back. All right, so today we're gonna be changing out the cabin air filter. We already did the engine air filter in the last video, and in this video we'll be changing out the cabin air filter. So let's get started. And I'm gonna do my best to bring you guys in here, but there's not much room. So underneath, you got 3 areas with fasteners. 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna remove that, drop this panel right here, and now you're gonna have a connector for this light, and I believe another connector somewhere. We'll see. And once we drop this, we'll be able to drop this in the back, this piece of carpet, and we'll be able to get to the cabin air filter. So just bear with me. I'm gonna drop this panel real quick, and then we'll go from there. One, 2. This is gonna be the last one. And 3. Now let's see. Get this to come down. Does this need to come out first? Just kind of have to remove. Looks like we might have to remove this side panel first, because the panel goes behind it. Just kind of try to do this with one hand. Okay, and as you guys can see, 3 clips for that. All right, let's continue removing this. Take out this. Connect it. What's all? This panel. Okay, I gotta remove some of this stuff out of here. Take out my bolts. Remove the light. Right, let's see what we got here. What's this? I'm gonna need my headlamp. Huh. Okay. This is odd. There's like a hook. Well, that's good to know. All right, now let's see what we got. All right, and there she is, right there. Just have to probably move this to one side. Yep, and now drop it. Somebody's been here before, you can tell. There were supposed to be clips, I think on this side, and on the other side here, there isn't. You have to slide this. Sorry about the camera work. Okay, so this plastic piece sits on this rail, so you have to slide it forward so it passes that, and then you can drop the filter. We just gotta remember, gotta put it in the same way we took it out. All right. Let's grab the new filter. Oh, I guess it comes with its own plastic. That's kind of cool, I guess. All right. I guess you got an arrow here pointing forward of the car. All right, so let's take out this old one. And let's put this one in. Sorry guys, but there's just really not much room and I don't know where to set you guys up. All right. Finally, God. All right. So she's all in now. And that's pretty much it. Now all you have to do is reinstall the lower panel. Don't forget the 2 connectors. And yeah. I guess you are gonna have to remove this because this corner piece this little lip right here sits behind it. I guess you could just pull it out and bend this a little bit, but you probably wouldn't want to do that too much. You can see the stress discoloration already here on the plastic. Okay, all right, well, that's gonna be the end of that. So you have one connector here, and then one for the light bulb. All right. So, hope that helps. If you guys like this kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll be sure to be doing a lot more. And we also have a CLS550 that we swapped out the ABC struts for some coilovers. And yeah, if you guys want to check that out, I have other videos on that. We'll be fixing the convertible top. Then after that, we'll be cleaning the interior. Doesn't look that bad, but it's got sticky buttons that we can clean up and give this thing a detail. So yeah, if you guys like this kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe. And we'll see you again on the next one. Later.